These are the 4 ways to come out of depression. If you are depressed, then this video is for you. Now, there are 4 ways to take away depression entirely from your life. The very first one, you might laugh at this, but this is one of the things that will cure depression from your life. Start going to the gym. Hit the gym. One of the benefits of going to the gym is it keeps your body active. And as long as your body is active, your stress levels will go down. Because one of the things that keep most people depressed is when they are not active. You go to your office, you come back, you go to your job, you come back, you are always in a linear movement. You just go to office, you come back. That can make you depressed. Yes, if you ask most office workers what makes them depressed, they will tell you that it's because of when they go to their office, they stay throughout the day sitting on a chair. That can make you depressed. It's funny, but this can make you depressed. When you are always seated down on a chair in front of a laptop, working from morning to night, it will make you depressed. Now, when you have a habit of going to the gym in the evenings, let's say you come back from work, you go to the gym in the evening, it keeps your body active. It reduces your stress levels. Even in the gym, you get to meet people, you get to laugh, you get to crack jokes, you get to meet girls, you get to meet guys. It will reduce your stress levels. That time you're meant to be at home in the evening, alone or lonely in your house, overthinking, you'll be at the gym having a nice time with people of like-minded interests. The second one is have a purpose. A man who is idle will most likely enter depression because you don't have anything going on in your life. You just stay from morning to night. Why wouldn't you be depressed? But when you are occupied with what you are building, when you are busy building something, when you're occupied with that business that you are trying to build, you're occupied with that career you are chasing, you're occupied with that skill you are learning, your brain will not have an idle time to become depressed. Because what usually leads to depression is when you have a lot of idle time. You start thinking from left to right. Before you know it, you have fallen into depression. The third one is build a meaningful relationship. At times, what makes you people depressed is loneliness. You are lonely. You don't have a girl you can call and talk with and laugh. A girl you know who cares about you, who loves you. Or you don't have a guy who you can call your own, a man you can call your own, a man who checks on you, a man who shows you true love. There are a lot of people who suffer from loneliness syndrome, which is a condition where people feel they are lonely in this life. Most especially those people who are not living in their family house. Probably your family is in Port Harcourt and you're in Lagos working and you don't have a partner. That can drive into depression. But assuming you have a partner who calls you in the night, you guys will just talk, why would you be depressed? Depression will be far away from your life. So this is one thing you must know. If you are feeling depressed, have a partner who is a genuine partner, who really wants you to be happy. It helps. It helps. The next one is always have people you talk with. Yes. As long as you're a guy or a lady who has people you talk with on a consistent level, you will not be depressed. You will not be depressed. Because one of the early signs of depression, one of the earliest signs of depression is you begin to fold into your own shell. Yes. You begin to isolate yourself. That is one of the earliest signs of depression. But when you have people who are constantly in your circle, who are constantly around you, whether friends or partner or family, you cannot be depressed. You cannot be depressed because depression thrives in loneliness. As long as you are lonely, as long as you're alone, as long as you are isolated, you end up becoming depressed. So these are the 4 things you must do to avoid depression or to cure depression from your life. It works. It will always work.